Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be starting this hair on freshly washed and stretched hair. My hair is kinky, so I don't slick my hair down when it is wet. I do it when it is stretched and dry. So using this hard brush, I'm going to be brushing my hair. This brush is not actually hard. It is neither hard nor soft. It's perfect. So I'm going to be using it to brush perimeters of my hair. And using this Eco Styler gel, the crystal clear one, I'm going to be using it to slick down my hair and put it in a ponytail. I'm done applying this all over my hair, all around, even to the back. I use this brush to slick it up and put everything and just gather everything into one ponytail using a scrunchie without an elastic scrunchie without the little metal ring. So you just want to make sure your scrunchie has no metal rings, so your hair won't be broken or damaged. To make sure this is super sleek, I use this brush to even brush it more and use more gel just to get a perfect sleek down, and also put it in another scrunchie just to make sure it is tight and sleek. And as you can see, it's very sleek. So to make sure I get a more perfect sleek out look, because type 4 hair can be really puffy, I'm going to be using this edge control. I really don't know what it's called. I got this from a beauty salon, and I'm going to be using this to sleek my hair the more. And I did not even make the wrong choice, guys, because edge control on Eco Styler gel just makes everything perfect, and this got sleek down for days. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating this, guys. This hair got sleek down for days. So to do my hair twist, I'm going to be using my toothbrush. This toothbrush is actually wet. You want to use a wet toothbrush on your hair. You don't want to use a dry one. So I'm just going to use it to slick my hair down and get some baby hair action going on. So once I'm done slicking down my hair, I'm going to use this hair tie to tie down my hair until it is dry and sleek. You can leave this on for as long as you want, as long as your hair is going to take to dry. But I'm going to be using a quicker action. I'm going to be using my hair and dryer to, just speed up the process. And this is after like 15 minutes. My hair I can say it's dry at this point. I'm going to take this down and untie the hair scarf, and you guys are going to see the sleekest type 4 hair you've ever seen. So it's about 15 minutes and my hair is dry, and guys, can you see that sleek look? I mean, so I'm going to be using this cozy afro wig to get my puff today. This is actually a protective style, and guys, this afro wig is soft, and it just feels good and feels natural. It's not heavy at all. So this afro wig comes with 2 combs. You can attach more if you want, but this 2 is perfect. It is secure and it's okay, and it has strings too that you can put to secure it the more. So I'm going to be putting this on my hair, and I'm going to be securing it and fluffing it out, and that's it. Alright guys, so that is the tutorial for today guys. Thanks so much for coming back. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe. Share this video, like, comment, and share with your friends. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.